everyone, hope you are all doing well. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare a masaladar paneer recipe. This is very simple and easy. I made this recipe in a very different way. You will not get this recipe anywhere. So please try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. So let's start with the recipe. First, heat up a pan and add 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of mustard oil. You can add more or less. Also, you can use any other cooking oil you want. Then fry a big onion. It should be sliced or chopped on medium flame until it's nice and golden brown in color. Then take it out in a bowl. Then in the same oil add 9 to 10 cloves of garlic, stir for few seconds and then add 1 inch of ginger. Then again stir for few seconds and then add green chilies as your requirement. Fry on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes and then take it out in a bowl. After that, make a smooth paste of these fried onions, ginger, garlic, green chili without water. Now shallow fry the paneer on medium flame. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Here I have taken 200 grams paneer and I have cut the paneer in cubes. Then follow the same process and shallow fry the potatoes. I took 2 medium size of potatoes and cut into cubes. Now in the same oil and same pan, I am adding little more of oil, that is 2 tablespoons of oil. You can skip this part. Then add all the spices like 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Then stir all the spices on low flame for 15 to 20 seconds, but don't burn the spices. Then add tomato paste. I took 3 medium-sized tomato and made it paste. Cook until the raw flavor goes. Then add the paste of fried onion, ginger, garlic and green chili that we prepared earlier. Now cook for 15 minutes on medium flame and then add the shallow fried potato cubes. Cook for some time, then add half cup of water. You can add more or less. Add salt to taste. Then cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are boiled for 90 to 95%. Don't forget to stir after each 5 minutes. Now check the potatoes are boiled or not. Turn off the heat. You can smash few potatoes like I am doing. This is optional. Now let the masala or the gravy cool down. Then add 1/4 cup of curd. Now turning off the heat or cooling down the masala is optional. You can directly add curd. Turn on the flame and then add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. This is completely optional. After that, cook until the oil gets separated from the masala or the gravy. And then add the shallow fried paneer. Mix the paneer with the gravy. After that, add water as your requirement. Now, if you don't want to add water, then cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame by covering it. Then the paneer masala will be ready. But if you are adding water, then boil at least for 5 to 7 minutes on high flame. Then add 2-3 green chilies. 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, this is optional. And then the masaladar paneer is ready. Cover and keep for 10 minutes. And then serve and enjoy with rice or fried rice. The link for sweet fried rice recipe is in the description box. Also, I will give above. Don't forget to check it out and let me know in the comment section. And if you found this recipe helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.